I'm gonna catch you!
Grandpa, are you okay?
I just need to sit down.
What if one garlic clove a day could completely transform your body forever? Every single day, millions of viruses are attacking your immune system without you knowing. Garlic contains allicin, nature's most powerful immune-boosting compound. Clogged arteries are silently building up inside your body right now, and you feel nothing. Daily garlic consumption can reduce arterial plaque and dramatically improve blood flow. High blood pressure is called the silent killer. It destroys your heart slowly with zero warning signs. Studies show garlic can lower systolic blood pressure by up to 10 points naturally. Your liver processes over 500 toxins daily, and when it gets overloaded, your entire body suffers. Garlic activates liver enzymes that flush out toxins and regenerate damaged liver cells. Brain fog, poor memory, and mental fatigue are signs your brain is not getting what it needs. Garlic's antioxidants protect brain neurons and significantly boost memory and mental clarity. Chronic inflammation is the root cause of over 80% of all diseases, and most people ignore it. Garlic contains powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that work like natural ibuprofen. Every day, abnormal cells form in your body, and your defense system must fight them constantly. Allicin in garlic has been shown in studies to slow the growth of certain cancer cells. Bone density starts decreasing after age 30, and weak bones can shatter your quality of life. Garlic boosts estrogen levels, which helps maintain bone density and prevents early bone loss. An unhealthy gut means poor immunity, low energy, and disease. 70% of your health starts here. One garlic clove every day, and your entire body transforms from the inside out. Start tonight.